Welcome back to our workshop, Drawing an Animal Icon, Part 2. In this workshop, we will be drawing this hippo. We will get to know the node tool. We will get to know how to add on nodes, how to convert them, and we also will get to know how to use the segment tool and convert segment tools into path. Let's begin. I open my file from the previous tutorial and I see under Swatches, I have my colors ready. If I go under Icons or Animal Icons, the colors are provided. Let's start with the hippo with the face. I take a circle, ellipse tool, hold down the Shift key and draw my face. Move it up here about there and I choose a gray. Then I will draw my eyes. Again the circle. Make them black. Inside the black circle I make a small white circle. Go a bit closer with my zoom tool. Select circle number 1. Hold down the Shift key. Select circle number 2. Under Edit I say Copy. Under Edit I say Paste. Here you have the shortcuts, which is probably quicker. And I use the arrow keys in my keyboard to drag the circle over to the right. Then I want to draw the nose, again the ellipse tool. This time I don't hold down the Shift key. I draw an oval shape like this. Use my move tool, move it up a bit, take light blue. Now I would like to change the shape a bit. I have to select my oval, go up here on the layer and say convert to curves. Now I have my nodes. And I can use my node tool and move the nodes around the way I want it. What I would like to do right now is to select this node, hold down the Shift key, select this node, and I move them down a bit. I let go. I'm happy with that. Again, I use my oval shape, ellipse tool, draw an ellipse, use white up here, move it up a bit. Then again, round circle, ellipse tool. Now I hold down the Shift key because I would like to have a round circle. Choose black. Command C, Command V, and I move the circle over. Then I start working on the body. For the body and the ears, I need to use a new object. I need to use the segment tool. I have the segment tool selected and I draw the body first. Use my segment tool, move it over here. Make the body a little wider for a hippo. Now I use, of course, gray. And I can see one problem, it has to be behind the nose. I go into layers and I have to open these layers and I can see, aha, as soon as I open this, all I have to do is move the segment tool I just drawn below the curve. I take it and I move it down here. Then I use the segment tool again for the ears, about that size. Now either you draw a second segment tool in white on top or you make a copy. Either way is fine. Ctrl C, Command V. Now if I hold Command and Shift key at the same time, I can move the object in the center, reduction of the ear, move it down a bit and make it white. Now I select them both, the outside and the inside. Reason being is because I can right away turn the ear into the correct position. That's the correct rotation. A little bit to the right. Perfect. Now if I say Command C, Command V, and I move it over, all I have to do is click on Flip Horizontal up here and my ear is in the perfect place. Great. Now all I have to do is alter my body. In order to adjust the nodes, we will get to know something new today, which is under Layer, Convert to Curves. Now with converting to curves, you have full access to the nodes. I select my node tool, go in the middle and I say I would like to move that up a bit. And I can see that's great. Actually, I can choose that, but I would like to have, first of all, rounded corners here. So I go in here, select the node tool again. And if I move that down, I can see, okay, I can move it down, which is great. I would need to add on a node. Now you can add on nodes in different ways. The easiest for me is go into the pen tool, select it, click on here, it adds on a node. If I click and drag a bit, it even gives me a round node. And then I choose the node tool and I move that node up. At any time you can say you would like to have a node in a corner or in a round fashion. You can change the nodes up here. Here it's a convert to curves, convert to roundness. You can go back and forth, make your conversions the way you like it. Again, I choose an oval for the arm. With the move tool selected, I go to the side until I see these arrows. I can rotate it a bit. I choose a gray. With the arrow keys in the keyboard, I see exactly where I am. Command C, Command V, move it over. Holding down the Shift key, it moves very quickly. And I say, flip horizontal. Now the only thing missing for my hippo is a blue belly. Again, I use the ellipse tool. I would like to have my belly about this way and I move it inside the way I like it. I reduce my hippo a bit, holding down the Alt key, zoom tool. Now with the move tool selected, I draw an invisible shape around the body. And I can make my adjustments. As I said before, with the arrow tool, I can see exactly if it's in the middle or not. Don't forget to save your document, and we'll meet again for the third tutorial where we'll be drawing the mouse.